Hello everybody, this is Vincent from Affiliate Theme.io, and this video is about price comparison. So we're going to talk about expanding an existing product with additional prices. So what this basically means is you imported, for example, a product from Amazon. This product is existing in your system, but you also have other shops. You have a cooperation with other shops such as Rakuten and eBay, and you want to add the prices from these vendors to your existing product. So that's what we're going to do in this video. So first of all, let's take a look at an existing product we want to expand with additional prices. So we go to products, we take a look at this BenQ monitor, and we scroll down to the general settings, and we see under prices that there is only this one price included that comes from Amazon, because we firstly imported it from Amazon. So if we take a look at the front end, we see only this one price is included and only this one link will go to Amazon. But usually if you have a product that is sold by multiple sources, you might want to include them as well. So you can see there is just down here and at the top there is just this one price. So let's change that. So it's pretty easy. We're just going back to our import tab and we're choosing another vendor. So let's just start with an easy one. Let's start with eBay. And we're going to the search tab. We're entering the name of our product, so that we find exactly the same, because otherwise it doesn't make sense. So I'm just gonna pick the monitor here and we click import, not quick import, we click import, the left button. We don't have to change anything about those settings here. They don't matter in that case. We just scroll down to update an existing product. And here we choose the product we want. In that case, it's the BenQ monitor. Well, we can decide, do we still want to add this image to the number of images we already have? In that case, I don't want to do it because it looks pretty similar. I just click import, I close it. Let's just take a look at our backend again and see how this looks like. So let's scroll down again to the general settings and then the price section, and we can see that an additional price was added. It's already defined as a product from the shop eBay. Our IDs are all inserted. So we are ready to go, and if we update the front end, we should see two prices, and there you go. Now we have two prices here on the right side. The customer can compare those prices. And also if you scroll down here, you have again this price comparison table. So now we are about to add two more vendors, and then it looks like this table actually makes sense, because with two vendors it's not like, okay, you have two prices, that's nice, but if you have like four prices, that's really useful. So in addition, we still have our price trend. I just imported the product today, so there is no price trend yet. But in addition to that, if the data is collected for the price trend, the graph will display the prices for all the vendors. So again, there the customer can say, okay, now I have the price from eBay, from Rakuten and Trade Tracker, and okay, maybe I rather choose this vendor than the other one, and they can really see like the development of the price. So that's a neat feature as well. So now let's import the product from another vendor. So let's just go through the procedure again and add another vendor. So I'm going to search for our monitor, take a look at the results, and search for the corresponding product, and I can see here we have it right down here with 24 inches. Again, I click import. I don't care about the information here. I'm just choosing my BenQ monitor, because then automatically all those informations that we already defined for the Amazon product are applied to this, so we don't really need to mess with this. We don't need this image again because we have it already. I click import, click edit product. And we can see now that we have 3 prices here. So we have eBay down here, we have the partner here from Comtech, and we have Amazon. So if we take a look at this, we now have 3 different vendors here. So you can still see that this looks a bit messy, so we're going to fix that in a minute. So let's just go away for a second from the product and the price comparison itself, because we saw that the last vendor we added didn't have a logo and the text didn't really look nice, and in comparison to eBay and Amazon, this made it look a bit unprofessional. So we actually imported from a new shop, in that case it was comtech.de, and it didn't look really professional. So first of all, I don't want this to be there. I think comtech.de is sufficient. And there was no logo. So I'm just going to define the featured image here, which defines the logo of the shop. And I'm going to upload the corresponding logo. Here we have it. Set featured image. We click update. And we go back to our product and take a look at the front end. And now we can see at least we have a nice logo here. All 3 prices are displayed. And also down here it looks much better than before.